Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of the Daddy and Harper Show. I'm Harper and this is Daddy. You just gonna let it go, huh? Okay, well, today we're gonna be eating some crazy things. First up, we have some lollipops.
Bacon lollipop.
Like she said, bacon lollipops. We have a barbecue bacon and we have a honey bacon. Next up, we have sour pickle balls. Those should be interesting.
Most of them. Bum, bum, bum.
We have a gummy jalapeno. I don't know how that will turn out. I bet Harper doesn't eat it, but we're gonna see. Then we have scorpions. We have one for each of us. And last but not least, we have
Worms.
worms. So, what do you think, Harper? You want to start with the lollipops?
Yeah.
All right, let me see. Let me open you one.
That one's gonna be mine.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
First-
man.
First, you are gonna try it to see if it's good or bad. You try it first, okay, Daddy?
Okay. Did not know it was going to be that hard to open. Alright, girl. There's you one. Now I'm going to try this one. If I can get into it too.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Okay.
Are you waiting on me?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one kind of looks like bacon. Kind of smells like bacon. Does yours smell like bacon?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, 3 hours later. All right, you ready? 1, 2,
3.
cheers.
Mmm.
Yours is good?
Mhm.
Okay, mine's not that good. Yours is good though?
You wanna try it?
Sure. Here, you try down there. I'll try. Yours is good. Okay.
And yours is bad.
All right, what's up next, Harper? What you want to try?
Pickles.
You want to try the pickle balls? All right, guys. Time for the pickle balls. All right. Here, you take that one, and I'll take this one.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, man.
Go!
No. No. That is not good. You really like that? Gosh, that's a lot of pickle. You want to spit it out?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Oh, I'll have to clean that up later. Oh. You got more? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Girl. What? Ah! Ah!
I think it was
Ah. Well, we're like the Hulk. Ah. Okay. So, I think we should try these now.
Yeah.
I've never eaten one of these. Have you?
No.
Of course you haven't. I can't tell your mommy about this either.
No.
Oh my gosh. They really make these hard to get into, girl. Wait for me though, okay? Here, hold that open. Oh, it would help if I followed the instructions. It says peel here. Silly daddy. Alright. So you didn't like the pickle thing either, right? Just making sure? Okay. Alright. Alright, I'm just going to dump mine on the table. You may dump yours out too?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, alright. I think I'm going to try this part. You ready?
I'm gonna say this little.
No, get the big part. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's actually pretty good.
Are we supposed to swallow it?
Yeah. Okay, after Okay, it kind of starts off like peanuts. And then it, you want any more of yours? Okay. And then what do you think it tastes like after the peanuts? Not good?
Good.
You think it is good? Yeah? Well, what does it taste like to you?
Pickles.
Tastes like pickles? I don't think so.
It does. It really does.
Well, that's probably because you still got pickles from the last one. You know, I think I learned a lesson. This is our first video. I learned to open things beforehand. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Maybe that would have helped. So
at the end of our video, what are we gonna do again?
what are we gonna do at the end?
Yeah.
Why don't we get there first?
Okay.
It may never end if Daddy can't get these open. Ah, oh man, all right. Here, you take one, here, take that worm. All right guys, these are dry, they're slimy. How are they slimy? Okay, all right, 1, 2, 3.
Is it good?
Is it good? It tastes, if you ever smell an earthworm, well that's what it tastes like. Oh, well this was terrible. Doesn't it?
It's yummy to me.
Here, you want the rest of them then?
No.
Okay, it must not be that yummy.
You don't.
Well, just don't. We're gonna have to feed these to your brother later. Tell him they taste good and see what happens, right?
Yeah. I like my lollipop.
You like the lollipop?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, how about when we get done, I'll let you eat the lollipop? Man. Daddy did not think this was gonna be this hard to open.
Is there more
Alright.
to try after this?
No, this will be it, but I gotta get some scissors. So wait there.
So this is gonna be the best video. Did I mention I don't know how to sing?
Alright. We'll see here. Oh, it smells really good, Harper.
Can I smell?
So, this is supposed to be a sour apple gummy jalapeno pepper.
Can I smell it? Good.
No, it does smell really good.
There's,
Maybe we'll get one thing that's actually good, right?
yeah. And my lollipop. That was
Yeah, okay, well, you don't have to rub it in that you got the good one. Daddy got the one that's not so good. Wow.
And which part are you gonna eat?
Was it supposed to be shaped like a jalapeno?
I don't like.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
You get a piece and then
All right.
I want the whole piece.
Oh, okay. Well, you chew on that. All right, ready?
I'm gonna half it this stick.
1, 2, 3. Is it spicy? It's a little spicy, but not too bad. Is it hot? Are you gonna be able to eat it? You got it? You don't got it? You want to spit it out? Okay. This girl, she's definitely a spitter, guys. Wow. All right. So, you want another pickle ball since we got another one?
I want my second.
Oh, well, we're gonna have to wash it off because you spit your pickle ball all over it. So, that's all we have for today. So, I hope you enjoyed it. So,
Goodbye.
we'll see you next time. And if you liked it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Bye, guys.
Make sure you strip the like button down below. And
Bye.